BJP legislator from South Shillong, Sanbor Shulai, has requested the state government to facelift the entire PWD roads within South Shillong constituency. Further, with several upcoming proposed projects like ropeway from the Shillong Peak viewpoint to Madan Laban and other important link roads within South Shillong constituency, in which this could promote tourism at a greater height and also help decongest the entire Shillong city. Further, the MLA of South Shillong has informed that the proposal have already been sent for the construction of the parking lot at Laban last stop.
To all the existing old PWD roads under my constituency, the 19 South Shillong, especially within municipal area. This is municipal area comprises of the locality like the entire Lumparing, Injatpur, Lumdorbar, Lumsopa, Mansan, Nuklanid, and Kenches Street, Marlaban, Riyad Laban, Relabong, Oxford Hill, last bus stop, Laban. We have few vacant land which belongs to the revenue department and duly allotted to the urban affairs department, like in our last bus stop we have, where 50 vehicles will be parked.
The Vice President of United Democratic Party